Have you ever wondered what truly differentiates individuals who achieve great financial success from those who constantly struggle to make progress? Often we believe that the answer lies in technical skills or business strategies, but there is something much deeper that can influence our success: understanding human nature. In the book, The Laws of Human Nature, Robert Greene reveals how a profound knowledge of people's motivations, desires, and weaknesses can be a powerful weapon for anyone looking to make a lot of money. In this video, we will explore how to apply these laws of human nature to gain an edge in the business world and increase your wealth. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more high-value content like this to expand your knowledge about finances, money, wealth, and success. Let's get started. Understanding human emotions. The first law of human nature that Robert Greene highlights is the power of emotions. Emotions are the driving force behind most human decisions, and understanding this can be the key to influencing others and achieving financial success. People buy products, make investment decisions, and choose business partners based on emotions such as trust, fear, ambition, and desire. To make a lot of money, it is crucial to learn how to identify and understand these emotions in the people you interact with. For example, if you are selling a product or service, it is important to understand what motivates your customer to buy. Are they seeking security, status, convenience, or perhaps a sense of belonging? By identifying these emotions and adjusting your sales approach to cater to these emotional desires, you can significantly increase your chances of closing a deal. Let's consider the example of a real estate agent. Instead of just listing the features of a house, an effective agent will understand what truly motivates the buyer. Perhaps they are looking for a safe place to raise their family or a luxurious environment that reflects their professional success. By aligning the property's presentation with these emotions, the agent creates an emotional connection that is far more persuasive than a list of technical features, exploiting the need for validation and status. Another fundamental law of human nature is the quest for validation and status. People are deeply influenced by the desire to be admired, respected, and valued by those around them. This need for status and validation is a powerful driving force that can be harnessed to achieve financial success. For example, when creating a product or service, think about how it can help your customers achieve a higher status or gain admiration from others. This can be done through products that are perceived as exclusive, luxurious, or innovative. Many luxury brands, such as Rolex or Ferrari, have built empires by tapping into the human desire for status and prestige. Additionally, in the business world, understanding this need for validation can be used to negotiate contracts, form partnerships, and attract investors. When you make someone feel that they will be valued and respected by associating with you or your business, you increase your chances of securing a favorable deal. This is why many successful entrepreneurs excel at creating an image of success and competence, which attracts partners and investors who want to share in that status. Mastering the art of persuasion. The ability to persuade others is an essential skill for making a lot of money and is deeply rooted in the laws of human nature. Effective persuasion is not just about what you say, but how you say it. Robert Greene explains that understanding human behavior and motivations allows you to tailor your communication to be more influential. To persuade someone, you need to speak their emotional language, understand their needs and desires, and then present your proposal in a way that resonates with those factors. For example, if you are pitching an idea to a group of investors, it is important to understand what each of them values. Some may be more focused on financial returns, while others may be more interested in innovation or social impact. By tailoring your presentation to speak directly to the emotional interests of each investor, you increase your chances of gaining their support. Effective persuasion also involves using narratives and stories. People are naturally drawn to stories because they evoke emotions and help create connections. By telling a compelling story about how your product or service changed someone's life, or how your idea came from a personal experience, you can capture your audience's attention and influence their decisions. Utilizing the law of rationality. While emotions play a central role in human decisions, It is also important to understand the law of rationality. This law emphasizes the importance of maintaining emotional control and thinking strategically, even when emotions are involved. To make a lot of money, you must learn to balance the use of emotions with rational and logical analysis. An example of this is financial investment. Many successful investors, such as Warren Buffett, are known for their ability to remain calm and make rational decisions even in times of high market volatility. They are not swayed by fear or greed, but stay focused on a long-term strategy based on sound fundamentals. In the business world, rationality is also crucial for negotiating contracts and making strategic decisions. Understanding the numbers, assessing risks, and thinking strategically about the future are essential skills for anyone looking to make a lot of money. This does not mean ignoring emotions. They are still an important part of the equation, but rather balancing them with rationality to make well-informed decisions. Now, think about this. Have you ever thought about earning between $5,000 and $10,000 per month as extra income by creating simple videos for YouTube like this one? I have a complete and straightforward course that I developed for a single payment of $29.90. $29.90 won't make you richer or poorer, but what if this program works for you? Well, the link is in the first pinned comment of the video and in the About section of the channel, okay? If you're interested, just click the link to know more. But now, back to the content. Learning to identify hidden motivations. Human motivations are not always obvious. Often people have hidden motives for their actions that may not be immediately apparent. Robert Greene explains that understanding these hidden motivations is essential for influencing others and achieving financial success. To identify people's hidden motivations, you need to be a good observer. Pay attention to body language, tone of voice, and behavior patterns. Often people say one thing, but their body language reveals something entirely different. By learning to read these subtle cues, you can uncover what really motivates someone and use that information to influence them more effectively. For example, in a business negotiation, what does the other side really want? It may not just be the best price, but also respect, recognition, or security. By identifying these hidden motivations and adjusting your approach to meet them, you can increase your chances of closing the deal on favorable terms. Utilizing the law of envy and social comparison. Envy and social comparison are powerful emotions that influence human behavior in profound ways. People often measure their own success and worth against others, and this comparison can be used to motivate them to act in certain ways. To make a lot of money, you can leverage the law of envy and social comparison to create a sense of scarcity or exclusivity around your products or services. For example, luxury companies often limit the availability of their products to create a perception of exclusivity. When people see something that is scarce or that many desire, they tend to value it more. Additionally, in marketing and advertising, it is common to use social comparison to persuade consumers. Showing how a product can help someone achieve a higher status or be better than others can be an effective strategy to increase sales. This taps into the natural human desire to stand out and be admired by others. Developing emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions and the emotions of others. Robert Greene emphasizes that this skill is fundamental to financial success because it allows you to connect with people on a deeper level and influence their decisions. To develop emotional intelligence, start by becoming more aware of your own emotions and how they influence your behavior. Learn to recognize when you are being dominated by an emotion, such as anger or fear, and practice techniques to regain control, such as deep breathing or meditation. Additionally, work to understand the emotions of others and how they affect their decisions. This involves empathy, the ability to put yourself in others' shoes and see things from their perspective. When you can do this, you can adjust your communication and behavior to better meet others' emotional needs, which can be extremely valuable in negotiations, sales, and leadership. Utilizing the law of conformity. Conformity is the tendency of people to follow the behavior of others, especially in situations of uncertainty. Robert Greene explains that understanding this law can be a powerful tool for influencing people's behavior and achieving financial success. A classic example of using conformity to make money is word-of-mouth marketing and social media. When people see others buying and praising a product, they are more likely to want to buy it too. This is because people trust the opinions and actions of others as a way to validate their own decisions. To apply the law of conformity, focus on building a base of satisfied customers and encourage them to share their positive experiences. Use testimonials, reviews, and case studies to show that others are happy with your product or service. This will create a sense of trust and attract more customers, increasing your sales and financial success. Making a lot of money is not just about technical skills or business strategies. It's about understanding human nature and using that knowledge to influence people positively. As Robert Greene highlights in The Laws of Human Nature, by understanding people's emotions, motivations, and desires, you can become more persuasive, build stronger relationships, and make more strategic decisions. If you apply these laws of human nature in your business and investments, you can start seeing significant results in your financial success. Remember, true power comes from deep knowledge and the ability to use that knowledge to create value and influence. Did you like the video? Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and share in the comments how you plan to use these laws of human nature to achieve financial success. Until the next video, where we will continue to explore new ways to achieve prosperity and personal fulfillment.